Alright, hello first graders. We're going to talk about what inventions do you know about. So we've talked about many different ones. Maybe this is the time you could ask your parents about what inventions do they know about. I want you to think about the computer. Think about the computer. Back in the days, it took a lot of wiring and cords, right? It took many people to run the computer. And now, what do you have for technology that you use besides the computer? You use an iPad, right? So you have an iPad that you use to do learning on. Alright, complicated. Complicated means something is what? What does that mean? Right, it's kind of hard. It has multiple steps to get it done, right? If it's complicated. Alright, let's see if you can find the word complicated. Ready? C-O-M-P-L-I-C-A-T-E-D. Complicated. Let's get how many syllables in complicated. Ready? Complicated. How many? 4. Alright, this word curious. Curious, it means that you want to know about something, right? You're curious about it, you want to learn about it. Let's find curious. Can you find it? I see it up and down. Ready? C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. Curious. Alright, let's find the word device. Device. What is a device? Right, it's something that we use, right, to help us. A device, it's a tool, right? Think about our iPads. Our iPads are a device. We use those as a tool, right? Alright, let's find device. See it? D-E-V-I-C-E. Device. Alright, imagine. Imagine. Remember, imagine is something that's made up, right? It's not really real. It's something that you picture. Okay, like Cinderella. She had imaginary horse and carriage, right? They made out of a pumpkin. Alright, so imagine. Can you find it? Right here. I-M-A-G-I-N-E. Imagine. Improve. What does that mean? Improve. That means to make it better, right? You improve it. You get better at it. You keep practicing. So you can improve your handwriting by keep writing. Alright, let's find improve. I-N-P-R-O-V-E. Improve. Let's go to curious. Let's get how many syllables. Ready? Curious. How many syllables? 3. Alright, let's do device. Device. How many? 2. Let's do imagine. Imagine. How many? 3. Let's do improve. Improve. How many? 2. Very good. Alright, we're going to read a story about the story of a robot inventor.
This is what the genre is. The genre here is biography, so it's going to be a real life description of what a person's life was like. Then the essential question, what inventions do you know about? We're going to read this story to learn about some of the different inventions people have. Here we go.
The story of a robot inventor. Big ideas. Meet Tomotaka Takahashi. He invents unusual robots. How did he get started? Mr. Takahashi was born in Japan in 1975. As a child, he played with blocks. He used his imagination to make all sorts of forms and shapes. Later, he read comic books about a robot named Astro Boy. The robot looked like a real child. Takahashi wanted to make robots just like it. Astro Boy. Finding out about robots. In 1999, Takahashi began to study robots. He took classes to learn how they move. The robots bent their legs when they walked. It did not look right to Takahashi. People did not walk that way. Then Takahashi had an idea. He made a better robot. It did not bend its legs when it walked. It moved more like a person. Making better robots. In 2003, Takahashi started his own company. He made many robots. A short robot climbed up a cliff with a rope. A bigger robot lifted a car with its arms. Another robot rode a bike for 24 hours. Takahashi began to put his robots in contests. He made 3 robots for a sports race in Hawaii in 2011. The first robot had to swim. The second robot had to ride a bike. The third robot had to run. The robots had to do these tasks for a week. For the race, there were many problems to solve. Takahashi made the swimming robot waterproof. He gave it arms like fins to help it swim faster. Another robot was able to ride its bike for 100 miles without braking. The third robot ran for 26 miles. What will Takahashi invent next? Will his robots fly and soar like Astro Boy? Will they be his finest? We can only guess. We must wait and see. Tomotaka Takahashi is sure of one thing. His robots will do more and more. Make connections. What kind of robot would you like to invent?
All right. So, what kind of robots? What kind of robots would you like to invent? If you had to invent a robot, what kind of robot would you like to invent? It'd be kind of cool to invent a robot, wouldn't it? So let's talk about the story. What happened first? What happened first in the story? What happened next? What happened last? So first, right, he played with blocks, didn't he? He played with blocks on Astro Boy, and then after he did that, he started to create or research about robots, didn't he? And made one. And then he made his own company, didn't he? After he invented one, he made his own company. So it started when just when he was a little boy, and he moved up and kept moving up and invented a robot. That's the sequence of the story. Remember, sequence is what happens at the beginning, middle, and end. Alright, I'm going to say the sound. You're going to blend them together. Are you ready? Or. What's the word? For. Or. What's the word? More. Or. What's the word? Porch. Or. What's the word? Roar. Or. What's the word? Short. Or. What's the word? North. Remember that TH sounds kind of hard to hear. Or. Alright, remember, we've been talking about OR, which says or, ORE, which says or, and ORA, which says or, like in or, short. What is that right there? That's a digraph, isn't it? Alright, let's try this word. Ready? Born. Born. Or. Soar. Ooh, let's go back to this one. Soar, that one's kind of like a bird is up in the air, soaring through the air. And this one. Or. Soar, that's like if your muscles hurt and you're sore because you ran a long time. Or. Form. It's something you fill out, right? Alright, now we have thorn. Thorn. How do we make thorn? Alright, well we heard the diagram. So that'd be TH. So TH. And then we have OR. So we have OR. It's just going to be 2 letters. And N. So that word is spelled thorn. Thorn. Alright, now we have corn. Corn. So starts with a C. So C, and then we have OR. O-R. O-R, and then So what's that word? Corn. Corn. This is a storm. Storm. So or So we get the S T, and then or, which is O-R, and then And so then we have storm. Storm. Remember that one? That was cork. Ork. So it starts with the C, and then we have O-R, and then K. So C-O-R-K. Cork. Cork. Alright, let's read these sentences. Are you ready? Does a big cat roar or snore? What 2 words had the or? Right, roar, snore. Did those words rhyme? They did, but they're spelled different, aren't they? Mr. Thorn will report to the game score for us. Mr. Thorn will report the game score for us. So we have Thorn, report, score. Thorn and report is spelled with an O and an R. And then score is spelled with O-R-E. Alright. Let's go through these words. Born, corn, core, more, roar, soar, purr, dirt, learn, and sure. These are some words that you could practice later if you have time. Alright, let's word these sight words. Ready? What's this word? Began. Alright, we're going to say it 3 times. Ready? Began, began, began. Alright, what's this word? Let's say it 3 times. You ready? Better, better, better. Okay, what's this sight word? Let's say it 3 times. Guess, guess, guess. Okay, how about this one? Let's say it 3 times. Learn, learn, learn. Alright, how about this sight word? Or this high frequency word? Right, right, right. How about this one? Sure, sure, sure. Alright. So let's put those words in there. We felt blank when the show. So remember, we have the words. What words? We have began, better, guess, learn, right, and sure. Alright, let's try again. We felt blank when the show blank. We felt better when the show began. Good job. We can blank the blank way to do it. We can learn the better way to do it. Good job. Are you blank or did you blink? Are you sure or did you guess? Alright, good job, first graders. Remember, you're going to have a story to read also on your whiteboard. Make sure you do all the activities.